Have you ever been on Venmo, sent money to a friend or for a purchase, and then realized something was wrong? Maybe the item never arrived, or the person was a complete stranger. It's a gut-wrenching feeling, but knowing the right steps can make all the difference. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how to report fraud on Venmo, so you can act fast and protect yourself. First things first, let's be clear about what constitutes fraud. Venmo is designed for payments between people you know and trust. While it does offer some protection for eligible business transactions, it generally doesn't cover personal payments. However, that doesn't mean you're out of options. If you suspect you've been scammed or see an unauthorized charge, your first step is to act immediately within the Venmo app. Go to the Me tab, then navigate to Settings and Get Help. From there, you'll want to contact the support team. Be prepared to provide them with as much detail as possible, the username of the person you paid, the date and amount of the transaction, and any screenshots of your communication with them. This information is crucial for their investigation. Now, if you used a linked credit card to make the payment, you have an additional layer of protection. Contact your credit card company right away. Most credit card issuers have strong dispute and chargeback policies that can help you recover your funds, even if Venmo can't directly reverse the transaction. It's also a good idea to report the fraud to other authorities. The Federal Trade Commission, or FTC, has an online portal, reportfraud.ftc.gov, where you can file a complaint. While the FTC won't resolve your individual case, your report helps them build cases against scammers and spot broader trends. Finally, take steps to secure your account. Change your Venmo password immediately. If you've been a victim of a phishing scam, where a scammer tricks you into giving them your login info, change any other passwords you use for similar services. Also, make sure you have multi-factor authentication enabled on your Venmo account for an extra layer of security. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.